Hey, wealth seekers. I've been reading your comments, and one question keeps popping up. How do I transfer USDT from my SafePal wallet to Binance? It's clear this is a hot topic, and today I'm breaking it down step by step. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share some hidden tips to make your transactions smoother and safer. And hey, while you're here, smash that like button, drop your questions in the comments, and make sure you subscribe so you never miss valuable insights like this. Ready? Let's dive in. Now, why is it important to understand this process? Because managing your funds safely and efficiently is a key skill in achieving financial freedom. If you're into crypto, you already know the power of being your own bank. But even a small mistake can be costly. So today's video isn't just a tutorial, it's about empowering you to handle your money with confidence. Let's start with step 1. Open your SafePal wallet app and log in. Make sure you're connected to a secure network. Your security is crucial. Click on your USDT balance and hit send. Simple so far, right? But wait till we get to the pro tips at the end. Step 2 is to log into Binance. Navigate to Wallet, then Fiat and Spot, and select USDT. Click on Deposit and copy your wallet address. This address is where your USDT will land. It's like the destination in your GPS for money transfers. Double-check this address, one typo, and your funds could disappear. Now, go back to your SafePal app. Paste the Binance wallet address you just copied. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. SafePal will ask for a transaction fee. Choose the appropriate network, typically ERC20 or TRC20, and confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation once it's done. Before you hit send, here are some game-changing tips. 1. Always double-check the network compatibility between SafePal and Binance. 2. Transfer a small amount first to ensure everything is set up correctly. 3. Enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for maximum security. These tips will save you time, stress, and potential losses. And that's it. Your USDT should now be safely in Binance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Have more questions? Drop them in the comments. I read every single one. And don't forget to subscribe to Wealth Mindset Hub for more game-changing content on managing your wealth. Plus, click the link in the description below for methods that can help you achieve financial freedom faster. See you in the next video, and remember, your financial future is in your hands.